EcoFlow Blade Robotic. In comparison to standard lawn mowers, the EcoFlow Blade Robotic stands apart. This state-of-the-art technology can scan your lawn, identify obstructions, and plot the optimal path for mowing thanks to its combination of optical sensors, LiDAR, and GPS. With the additional yard sweeper kit, it can clean up your yard by sweeping away leaves, sticks, and other debris. To top it all off, the EcoFlow Blade Robotic doesn't require any kind of boundary or cable installation. The EcoFlow app makes it easy to establish and change mowing limits from your smartphone. Using the app, you can manage the mower's cutting height, check the battery life, and even trace its whereabouts. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic can climb slopes as steep as 27 degrees, has a large cutting width, and front wheels that can turn in any direction. For a limited time, you can have it for $2,649, or you can get it with the Lawn Sweeper Kit for $3,199. TCL RayNeo X2. Using Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 platform, the RayNeo X2 are the first augmented reality glasses that can stand on their own. One may capture and interact with the world around them using their 16-megapixel camera, which is accompanied by a SLAM system and gesture recognition. Among the many features available on the RayNeo X2 are smart notifications, real-time translation, GPS navigation, picture and video recording, and much more. Plus, there's a library full of augmented reality apps and games that will make your time here even more enjoyable. With their modern style and feather-light construction, the RayNeo X2 are the perfect sunglasses. With 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, they come with a charging cord and a case. You may control them with your voice or your touch, and they work with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can get your hands on the RayNeo X2 on Indiegogo right now for $699 if you act fast. Ugot Robotic Kit. Create 7 different robots with just one Ugot Robotic Kit, a revolutionary combination of technology and creativity. With its clever knob lock and modular architecture, building and customizing your robots is a breeze. Another option is to use open-source hardware and do-it-yourself parts from third parties to personalize your robots. As a tool for learning, the Ugot Robotic Kit goes beyond being a simple toy. A one-tops computer with integrated central processing unit, graphics processing unit, and neural processing unit chips is included with the primary control. Through here, you may access all of AI's features, including bionic mobility, speech recognition, gesture detection, and more. Python and the graphical user interface both allow you to build your own models and algorithms. Kickstarter is currently accepting pre-orders for the Ugot Robotic Kit at a price of $256. Airspeeder Crewed. From a standing start, the Airspeeder Mk4 can reach a maximum speed of 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds, making it the fastest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft in the world. Expected to go 300 kilometers on a single charge, it handles like a Formula 1 race car. It has a power output of up to 1,340 horsepower, despite its light weight of only 950 kilograms. The 4th generation Airspeeder is more than a car. It's a game changer. The curtain has come down on an exciting new chapter in motorsport, one in which anything is possible. This is the pinnacle of competition for the most forward-thinking, creative, and driven automakers, OEMs, and racing teams in the world. Being a part of history is an opportunity that will present itself in 2024, when the first crewed races are set to commence. Depending on the features and customizations chosen, this flying wonder might cost anywhere from $1.5 million to $1.7 million. Litheli eWagon W1 Pro. Unlike other wagons, the Litheli eWagon W1 Pro has electric propulsion. A powerful 500-watt motor and all-electric propulsion allow this groundbreaking device to effortlessly traverse any surface. The Litheli eWagon W1 Pro is an excellent choice for any outdoor activity, whether you're going camping, gardening, shopping, or relocating. The Litheli eWagon W1 Pro is a roomy and sturdy vehicle with a 200-liter capacity that can support loads of up to 132 pounds. To make loading and unloading even easier, it features a drop-down tailgate. Another small and transportable option is the Litheli eWagon W1 Pro. With only a little motion, you can fold it up and put it in your trunk. The included egg roll folding table is a great accessory that can be fastened to the wagon for more use. On Amazon, you can get the Litheli eWagon W1 Pro for just $449.99. Apple Vision Pro. With Apple Vision Pro, you get more than just a camera. Connecting the digital and physical realms, it ushers in a new era of computing. You can use your eyes, hands, and voice to engage with apps, entertainment, images, videos, and more with Vision Pro. You have the ability to work and play on an endless canvas, experience immersive theater no matter where you are, relive memories in 3 dimensions, and cooperate with others in the same room. A revolutionary design with a bespoke micro OLED screen, a dual-chip architecture, eye tracking, and spatial audio define Vision Pro, which is driven by Vision OS, the first spatial operating system in the world. The most cutting-edge Apple consumer electronics product ever, the Vision Pro retails for $2,999 and is now available for purchase. Discover the cutting edge of computing with Apple Vision Pro. Voixatch. Voixatch is an innovative smartwatch that integrates smartphone and smartwatch capabilities in one elegant gadget. Voixatch lets you call, text, utilize GPS, and browse the internet. The best part is that you don't need your phone. Voixatch's cellular SIM card slot allows you to stay connected in any location. Not only that, the Voixatch bezel detaches to become a Bluetooth headset. To make hands-free calls, twist and lift the watch bezel and put it in your ear. The wing-shaped bezel fits securely in your ear and produces dramatic sound. After use, you can effortlessly snap the bezel back on and charge the watch. Voixatch is elegant and smart. Personalize your watch with 4 bezel colors to match your clothing or mood. Voixatch's 1.3-inch AMOLED display displays graphics clearly. Voixatch is waterproof, so it won't get wet. Voixatch is $199 on Kickstarter to pre-order. Alarm Stop Sleep. Alarm Stop Sleep simulates daybreak by gradually increasing light brightness and color temperature. Your circadian rhythm and wakefulness are stimulated by this. Studies show that summer light exposure before rising boosts morning alertness, mood, and deep sleep length. Alarm. Stop Sleep's vibrating bracelet softly wakes you up when the light peaks. Avoid the loud, unpleasant sound of a regular alarm and wake up calmly. The wristband tracks sleep quality and duration and syncs with the Alarm Stop Sleep app on your phone. View your sleep statistics and get personalized sleep hygiene suggestions. Alarm Stop Sleep is the best solution for people who sleep through alarms, snooze, or wake up drowsy. It helps you sleep better and start the day with vigor and positivity. Alarm Stop Sleep is $199.99 for a limited period. Anker Solix F3800. Are you looking for a portable power station that can handle any situation? Whether you need backup power for your home, RV, or EV, Anker Solix F3800 has you covered. This powerful and versatile device can provide up to 6,000 watt of AC output and 3,800 watts-hour of capacity. It can run your home appliances, charge your electric vehicle, and store solar energy with Anker Solix Home Power Panel. You can also expand its capacity with up to 6 expansion batteries, scaling up to 12,000 watts and 53.8 kilowatt hours for extended power outages. Anker Solix F3800 is easy to use, with a plug-and-play design and a smart app that lets you monitor and customize your energy usage. It's also reliable and long-lasting, with InfiniPower technology that ensures 10 years of product life and a 5-year warranty. You can get it now for only $3,999.99 at anker.com. EcoFlow GLACIER. As coolers go, the EcoFlow GLACIER has more uses than simply that. This smart appliance has 2 separate temperature zones that can be set to 10 degrees C and minus 25 degrees Celsius respectively. It can also generate 18 ice cubes in 12 minutes and charge your devices with a 100-watt USB-C port. The 38-liter capacity can hold up to 60 cans. It is easy to move around thanks to the detachable lever and wheels, and it can be controlled remotely by Wi-Fi or Bluetooth with the help of a smart software. A 298 watt-hour plug-in battery powers the EcoFlow GLACIER, allowing it to run wirelessly for up to 40 hours and being recharged by solar energy in as little as 2.1 hours. For added eco-friendliness and energy efficiency, it has vacuum insulation panels and an eco mode. For just $999, you can own the greatest portable gadget according to Popular Mechanics. Doppelmayr Garaventa. Ropeways and people movers made by Doppelmayr Garaventa are unrivaled in the industry. Whatever your transportation needs may be, they can provide it. Cable cars, gondolas, chairlifts, or funiculars. Their extensive background and knowledge allow them to take on any project, thanks to more than 15,400 installations in 96 countries. Whatever your demand, from ski resorts to urban mobility, amusement parks to material handling, they can design a unique and cutting-edge solution to fulfill it. When it comes to technology, quality, and safety, Doppelmayr Garaventa is unrivaled. Their products are trustworthy, effective, and eco-conscious. Planning, design, implementation, and maintenance are all part of their extensive service offering. When it comes to ropeway and people mover issues, Doppelmayr Garaventa is the one to partner with. On the other hand, a normal installation will cost somewhere from $1 million to $100 million. Totam Planter. The Totam Planter is an innovative vertical gardening system that lets you build your very own plant tower from a variety of interchangeable modules. A variety of modules are available to meet your needs, including vertical, horizontal, microgreen, and more. The Totam Planter eliminates the need for soil by utilizing hydroponic and aeroponic technology to hydrate plants directly. The result will be less effort required of you, fewer trash, and less mess. The smart grow bar included with the Totam Planter uses horticultural LEDs made by Samsung to supply the plants the light they need to flourish. The Totam app allows you to control your plants' lighting and watering schedules and provides helpful hints for improved plant growth. Plus, when you want to put your plants on display at night, you can toggle to ambient mode, which gives them a gentle, pleasant light. Aeolus Robotics. The team at Aeolus Robotics creates and sells robots for use in a wide range of businesses and tasks. AEO, their most popular product, is a multi-function humanoid robot with a wide range of abilities, including but not limited to opening doors, controlling elevators, delivering medications, and more. AEO's mission is to improve the lives of individuals all around the globe by making their lives easier and more productive, especially those who are elderly or have health issues. AEO also comes with a convenient mobile app that lets you control and access it from anywhere. Aeolus Robotics provides their clients with adaptable payment options, round-the-clock assistance, and frequent software upgrades. At your service 24 hours a day, AEO is more than simply a robot. It's a dependable and competent companion. Though not officially announced, rumors have suggested that AEO costs anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000 each unit. Pesa H2 Loco. One innovative shunting locomotive that uses hydrogen fuel cells is the Pesa H2 Loco. It is the fruit of Pesa's groundbreaking initiative to integrate environmentally friendly technology into rail cars, and it is the world's first of its type. With a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour, Pesa H2 Loco is capable of pulling trains that weigh up to 3,200 tons. It can run on 650 kilowatt of power for 15 hours before needing to be refueled. The vehicle's driver sits smack dab in the center of the sleek, contemporary design, and it comes standard with autonomous driving and anti-collision systems. For shunting operations in green ports and intermodal terminals that do not emit any emissions, Pesa H2 Loco is the best option. When it finally hits shelves in 2024, Pesa H2 Loco will cost somewhere about $5 million. Look no farther than Pesa H2 Loco if you are in search of an environmentally conscious, dependable, and strong shunting locomotive. Apex Maker X1. With its high-resolution LCD screen, the Apex Maker X1 3D printer can cure resin layers with remarkable accuracy. It is designed for usage in industrial settings. You may print big models or numerous smaller ones simultaneously because to its enormous construction volume of 353 by 198 by 400 millimeters. Plus, it can print at a pace of up to 180 millimeters per hour, so you won't have to wait long to complete your creations. In addition to being strong, the Apex Maker X1 is also quite easy to use. With its high-definition camera, touchscreen, and dual cooling system, you can keep an eye on your prints from afar. The settings are very easy to adjust. Anyone looking to elevate their 3D printing skills to the next level should consider purchasing an Apex Maker X1. Kickstarter is now accepting pre-orders for it, with the early bird deal requiring a payment of $3,999.